It's time for semifinals. Up first, we've got the Fidget Cube versus the Infinity Cube. There's a side of the Fidget Cube for any mood you might be in. I can touch every side for a half a second and just rotate it around, trying every side, or I can pick one side and focus on that. Honestly, I don't know how to explain that the magic of the infinity aspect of the cube is so amusing to my brain that this made it to the next round. I like that I can do it with only one hand if I want to. The winner here is the Fidget Cube.